there, Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing here, with a quick preview of the August issue of our magazine. The automotive industry is always an important topic for finishers, so we devote a special focus to the sector a couple of times each year. This month's issue does just that, with several feature stories that explore future opportunities for finishers working with automotive today. Our cover story discusses smart solutions for automotive finishing, delving into automation, digitization, connectivity, and remote process tools to help automakers and component suppliers paint vehicle parts more efficiently at a lower cost and with a reduced carbon footprint. You'll also read about ways chemical cleaning and passivation help improve battery cooling in new energy vehicles. And you'll glean supply chain insights from Japan's successful automotive industry. In addition, you'll find a trend-focused interview with transportation editor Gary Vasilash, who has reported on automotive for more than 30 years, exploring some of the challenges and opportunities that may be on the horizon for finishers. As always, you'll find helpful technical articles, insightful Ask the Expert clinics, and the latest industry news, trends, and innovations. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.